Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Now I am going to show you the nature of village. It is a village of Bangladesh. Now I am going to show you banana tree. Look there. Oh wow, banana and it's eggplant. Look. Here is a flower in eggplant tree, but there is no eggplant. This is lady's finger tree. Do you want to see lady's finger? Oh yeah, it's lady's finger. Now I am going to show you pumpkin. The farmer works so hard and then they grow this crops. Look. Here is a pumpkin. It is looking so good. No more today. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get the another notification of the channel.